guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's going to be a little different. Um, I decided to do a makeup challenge, which is to see if I can do a full face of makeup within 30 minutes. I'm going to let y'all know now, I don't think I am. I don't think that I will be able to do it, but it's a challenge, so let's see how it goes. So if you're interested in seeing if I can accomplish doing my full face of makeup, I mean full routine, lashes, eyebrows, and y'all know my eyebrows take forever. So eyebrows, full face, contour, highlight, everything within 30 minutes. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my phone and set my timer for 30 minutes. See, 30 minutes. Now, this video will not be 30 minutes, okay? So I'm just letting y'all know I will be skipping through, but the timer will stay the same. So this is where we're gonna practice the YouTuber and viewer trust, okay? So you're gonna trust me to keep my timer the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and press start. All right. So first off, let's go ahead and do my brows. I can't find anything. Okay. Okay, cut. I'm back. I found my angle brush. Ah! We're gonna push through. We're pushing through because that's what we do. We push through. Okay. Brush those back. And I'm not doing like a dramatic look today. I'm just gonna do something simple because I actually have a meeting to go to. Hence why I have a blazer on. You know, when people put on blazers, that pretty much means they're important. Okay, so brows, done. Okay, and I tried to make them as neat as possible. All right, to line them up underneath, I'm going in with my HD corrector by Black Radiance, haha, in the color medium. For a base for my eyes, I am using, or primer for my eyes, I'm going to use the Milani primer, eyeshadow primer, and this is in the color Nude. I'm going to go ahead and put that on my eyes. Make sure you guys give it a shake if you use this. The other day I used it and it came out like all liquid. It was super nasty. And I was like, not using that. Not on my face. So go ahead and put that as a base down for your eyeshadow. Now we're going in with the matte book. Okay. This is going to be a really simple look, so nothing too crazy. So I'm going to go in with this. I should probably go in with a blending brush first. Okay, I'm going in with this color. I don't know what color it is, but I'm going in with it. You know, I wish this palette had names for the colors. That way I can know what I'm using. Alright guys, I'm working with 20 minutes now. 20 minutes, so I gotta move. Alright, now taking this brown color. Taking this brown color. Gonna put that in my crease as well. Blend it up. Okay, going in with an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take that off-white color. Put that on my lid. I'm so not gonna finish. I am not gonna finish on time, guys. At all. Nope, I already know I'm not. Okay, guys, so after that, we're going to take our e.l.f. liner, the liquid liner, put that on. Okay, that looks even to me. Perfect. Now I'm going to apply my mascara. And then my lashes. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and go apply my lashes and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've put my lashes on. I applied some more mascara. So now I'm going to my base. For primer, 11 minutes. So it does not look too good, guys. It's really not looking good. For my primer oil, I'm using my Magic Collection primer oil. I've already moisturized. Now for my foundation, I'm going in with my Black Radiance Bisque and Cappuccino. Oh my gosh, I have 9 minutes. Look. I am not going to finish. Okay. 30 minutes is just not enough. Like, on average, I use an hour. Okay, to highlight, I'm going back in with that Black Radiance medium color as well as the Black Radiance dark. Okay, now going in with my Ruby Kiss 3D Collection contour set. I'm going to take an angled brush and set my contour. Okay, now for some blush, I'm going to go back in with the Matte Book and I'm going to take a blush brush and use this color right here. Okay, now for some pressed powder, foundation powder, whatever you want to call it. Going in with Black Radiance Bronze Glow. Going in with a little bit of highlight from my Kashana palette. I'm going to use the color orange. You guys, I'm working with 2 minutes. Oh. All right, 1 minute. So let's go ahead and apply some mascara to our bottom lash, wherever the mascara is. Okay. think I can. I think I can. I know I can. I know I can. I can. Okay, and then going in with some lip liner. Alright guys, so as you can see, I did not finish my makeup within 30 minutes. 30 minutes is just too short. Like, I don't think anybody can get anything really done within 30 minutes. Like, so it was a fail for me. A fail. I mean, I did pretty good. I did stop the tape and do my lipstick, well, finish my lipstick because I hadn't completed that yet and I didn't even know what color lip I wanted. So, yeah, so it was a fail for me. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this from me, please hit the subscribe button so you'll be the first to know. Go ahead and like the video if you liked it. Yeah, so I mean, this is what I accomplished. It's not a look that I would normally do, but it'll have to do, if that makes sense. I might go back in and add some more blush and powder. Yeah. Okay, well, bye.